Hey there, fur parents! Did you know that there are two ways to say dog in Korean? I'll cover both words in this video. The word for dog in Korean is gangaji. Use this when you're talking about dogs in general, cute puppies, or even your own loyal pet. Picture this. You're at the park and there's this adorable puppy waddling your way. You can't help but gush. 도그 파크에 강아지들이 정말 많아. 너무 귀여워. It means there are so many puppies at the dog park. So cute. When speaking generally about dogs, you might also use the term 개. For instance, you could say 옆집 개가 너무 시끄러워. This translates to the dog next door is too loud. Don't forget to give your furry friends at home a big hug from me. 다음에 만나요.